The cover plate is a plastic plate that is attached to your jigsaw's metal base. The cover plate is used when cutting delicate materials, such as veneered plywood or pre-finished workpieces. The plastic cover plate provides a softer surface that is less likely to damage these kinds of materials. Installing the cover plate is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
The cover plate is a great accessory to protect delicate materials when you're cutting, and it's really easy to install and use. The front of the cover plate has two plastic hooks. I'll hook them around the front of the base. Then on the back of the saw, I'll snap the cover into place. And that's how simple it is to use a cover plate with your jigsaw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.